guys a price on yesterday. It was before they even had got to it. I saw the dark pool detection on it. Actually, it's price action too. I must tell you. So when I saw the dark pool, I knew what was going on. If you didn't get a chance to see that video that I actually posted here on X as well as Facebook, I posted it there too. I'm gonna show you what they had did. Let's go here really quickly. Dark pool detection. This is 20 hours ago. There's that price. All right, so they got there. They did a little bounce, and I said in that video they need to hold above it. And I even came back and told you guys about that price a tad bit later. All right, and again, this is a problem. We're gonna take a look at that chart. I definitely I put the video out yesterday. I even talked about it in the video down below. If you if you would have took the time, just look at these thumbnails. All right, just I absolutely told you that there was a price that they were going to head to in this video. This video, I told you they would end up back down there, and then yesterday they took off to that downside and went right back down there. So let's take a quick look at that chart. That's that 10 hours ago. All right, they managed to go right up to that price. I tried to put a little line there just to emphasize that, and then of course overnight, there's the 20 hours later. This zone means nothing, and so I'm gonna get rid of it because it means absolutely nothing at this point. Even though they're bouncing from that price, I understand why, but it means nothing. All right, and of course they went and got that target that I told you guys about 2 days ago, and these two prices here, those are from the sixth, right? The sixth of the month there. And so now let's take a look at this range really quickly here, and let's see if you can keep up with what they have been doing for the absolute amount of time that they've been playing these games. I had put you some rules out here. You're more than welcome to read them right there. I know they got some news coming. There's some rules you can go in and follow. I'm not going to be able to explain this to you every time I get up here and make a video. And so let's go ahead and take another look up here, right where they did that. All right, so let's take a quick peek. I tried to put a little line there. I'm gonna remove it, but I tried to put a line there so you can follow along. All right, so they came up, and of course these lighter squares, the blue bars and all of that stuff is important. But the lighter squares, yeah, they exit on those squares or they get the move going. And so that is a major issue because when they broke past this information here, they should have just stayed up, maybe pulled down just a bit more and then kept going. But they decided to drive down all the way to this bottom again, knowing that they ran that trend out. And so then they went up, and now that's the top tick. All right, so here's your top tick action up here, them coming out of it, and then turned around. Now, usually they're picking it up with the cyan on the way up, and then I'm sorry, with the magenta on the way up. And then when they turn that corner, it's getting back above those cyan bars. That's really, really important. And I mean, get back above them and operate. And that's not what they wanted to do. And then here come your magenta wall here, right at the bottom of that range. And they took off to the downside. So let's see how much they're going down some more. I can pretty much bet you that they definitely going to head down just a tad bit more. Uh, it's bad what they're doing. Now, hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully they'll turn it around and come right back up, and we won't have too much of a problem from there. But as a quick look at what it looks like on that bottom, really quickly, I'm just throw some order flow bars right in front of you. They they're down here again. Sometimes that's a buy, okay, sometimes that's a buy, so we just got to see where it's going. All right, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.